Today, Asian Paints, India's largest paint company, is seen as among the most contemporary and progressive paint companies across the world. It is among the 6 largest paint decorative companies worldwide. At Asian Paints, we've always been in the forefront of innovation. We've believed in providing new and contemporary things to all consumers all across the country. The consumer in India has been continuously evolving and changing, especially over the last decade. As a result, the company too has needed to innovate and continuously change with the times. Many of these changes would have been seen by all of you. Whether it be the signature store or services like home solutions, Color Next, etc. Whether it be new and contemporary products like samplers, Royal Play, Stucco, water-based enamel, water-based polyurethane finishes, etc. Asian Paints has always been at the forefront. Asian Paints has also strived to be at the leading edge of modern retailing. Whether it be color ideas, the critical retailers across the country, we have attempted to provide dealers with the latest tools for providing satisfaction to consumers, all sorts of services to consumers, because we feel that the modern consumer of today needs all this. After all, change is refreshing, change is dynamic, and the company needs to change with the changing consumer. Change is good.
Change at Asian Paints is the only constant, and that is why we are getting into a change with respect to our packaging. We are revamping the entire packaging range, and this change is reflective of what the brand stands for. Today, the modern packaging which is coming in is standing not only for being contemporary, being international, but it also connotes a lot of decor-led consciousness which we want to showcase as part of our way going ahead. The premium packaging uses a lot of rich colors, and it uses a lot of imagery to basically connote the decor consciousness which we want to promote through our packaging. As part of our way forward, we are not only looking at modernizing our packaging, we are also looking at innovative high technologies as far as our premium products goes, and we have incorporated some of these technologies this time in the change. As part of going forward, we have divided the entire launch into 2 phases. The phase 1 is looking at all the interior and exterior emulsions. The rest of the packages will come in phase 2, and you will see it over the next few months to come. Wishing you all the best. Have a great year ahead.